guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna find these two line equations or solve for them, and then we're gonna look at this graph and see how it relates. Now let's do with this y plus 3x plus 7 equals 0 one. Now this isn't in standard y equals mx plus b or standard line what is it called? Equation. In standard line equation. Now, how do we get it there? We just gotta find y equals. So to do that, we can just take this to the other side, 3x, and we can take 7 to the other side. And then you get y equals 3x minus 3x, because the sign changes. We write that a little bit better. Okay, and then we go here. Write that a little bit better. Minus 3x minus 7, because that one also changes signs. Now this is our first line equation. Now let's do these two coordinates. Now this may look difficult at first, but once you keep doing it over and over again, you'll get good at it and it'll be smooth. Now, here, let me draw. Here, now the top is going to be the change in y, which basically means the difference between this 6, which is our y in this first coordinate, minus this y, minus 3. So 6 minus 3 over, and the bottom is change in x, or the difference between our first x, which is minus 1, and our second x, which is 2. Now if we do minus 1 minus 2, now let's write this bottom one, or our x. Draw a line, and now when you add this up, you get minus 3. And when you do the top, minus and minus equals positive, so you're basically 6 plus 3. You're adding 3 to 6, which is 9. Yeah. Now, when we do this division, you get a slope. This is the slope of minus 3. Now, we just found the slope for this line. We only have the slope, though. So now, to find the entire y equals mx plus b, we gotta, so we put the y, I'm going to use this first example. You can use this one too, but I'm going to use this one. So our y is minus 3. So it's going to be minus 3. So this y equals mx plus b. The y is minus 3 equals, the 2 is the x. And in y equals mx, m is the slope and x is the 2. So 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. And then plus b, or the y-intercept. Now, if we add 6 to both sides, then we get these two cancel, and then you get 3 equals b, which is true, because if we put 3 in for b here, then we get 3 plus minus 6 equals minus 3. Now let's write out the y equals mx plus b formula. So y equals our slope, which is minus 3 times x, plus 3, or our y-intercept. Now we have these two line equations. Now let's see what they are on the graph, which line is which. Now, we just have to look at the y-intercept, basically. The y-intercept is where it intersects the y-axis. So this one intercepts it at 3. So it would be this orange line. And then this one is minus 7. So it would be this blue line. And as you can see, where do they intercept? They don't intercept at all. Because, so you see that they have the same slope. So they have the same slope because they're going in the same direction. But when they have different y-intercepts, they're going in the same direction, but they will never touch because they're parallel, as you can see. So you can see here that if you have the same slope but different y-intercepts, you have a parallel line and they never intersect. Bye. Have a great time. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.